9. Come on, people. 8. I can't hear you. 7. Come on. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Will declare open the festival.
I declare the spirit of Goa open for everyone.
Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. While the rest of the dignitaries are getting this.
Minister, who has been kind enough for allowing us and giving us spirit of Goa in Colva for the last consecutive 4 years. We have the Director of Tourism with us here. We have got the Colva Sarpanch, our ZP chief. We've got brands of Goan entrepreneurs. We've got Pacha, who is Agnelo from Benaulim. We've got Kazulo, which is Hensel Vaz, our own Goan brand. We've got Sushegat Beer, Aditya. So all these entrepreneurs, all these Goan locals together are here and in Goa, beautifying our culture, encouraging our culture. And आमगेले गोयचे दायज म्हणटाय जावं ती काजू पिणी जावं आमगे जेवणा वयल्यान हे सगळे आज स्पिरिट ऑफ गोवा हितूंतल्यान आमकां दिश्टी पडटा. आमगेलो लोकल बाब डेविड विन्संट तेगे केटरिंगा चलयता तेगे स्टॉल आहा. सो एश कोन्न सगळे जे आज हीं स्टॉल घालन आहाय हे स्टॉलांतल्यान आमगेलो कल्चर प्रोमोट करताय आनी हो कल्चर आमी असोच करून प्रोमोट करपाक जाय. सो आय वूड वॉन्ट यू ऑल टू गिव अ राउंड ऑफ बिग अप्लॉज फॉर ऑल दीस young entrepreneurs from Goa, beautifying Goa and taking Goa to the next level. I remember when I became a new legislator in 2022, the youth used to ask me, "Amge bhanale, amge ye constituency kiti ha, kaich na. Kita 2 varsa, 20 varsa, all these kind of events used to never happen because everyone used to get scared. There used to be a lot of extortion out here. So आम ये सगळे बंद करून आता सगळीच 4 वर्सां हो टुरिजमागे इव्हेंटिंग प्रमोट करून हाडलो आनी हे प्रमोट करून हाडपाक I think it is the government of Goa, the Honorable Chief Minister who is also celebrating his birthday today, and also another special person who is dear to me, that is Father Bolmax, who is also celebrating his birthday today. I think we need to give them our blessings and our congratulations for always being here, especially Father Colva. आज जेन्ना गोंयभर एक घुसखोरीच जाल्ली आहा आनी ते आसतना वी आर कमिंग हियर टू सेलिब्रेट आसमुताय. There was a problem that this event could have got cancelled, but it was good that whatever we Goans wanted was partly been done today, partly is going to get executed. So let us celebrate this evening. Let us together make sure that the spirit of Goa is a successful event. And I would like to again thank Honorable Tourism Minister, who couldn't be here today since he's out of the country. And we wish that the rest of the years, the Tourism Ministry along with the directors, along with the ministry, keeps the spirit of Goa here in Colva for the Benaulim constituency, for South Goa, for all of us to enjoy. Saying this, thank you everyone and wish you a wonderful evening. Thank you.